6 Mayday, Mayday to Mayday. On the railroad track.
Go, 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 go!
That's 56 Lima, make right down when departure inside the 5, runway 12, wind 180 at 4, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 12, clear right down, 1 departure.
Whiteman Tower, so 7474 Golf, holding short 12 for left down 1 departure, Golf.
Cessna 7474 Golf, Whiteman Tower, make left down when departure, runway 12, wind 180 at 3, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 7 for Golf.
6 Mayday, Mayday to Mayday. On the railroad track.
Go, 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 go!
Hey! You okay, man? Get up. You good?
Cessna 74 Golf, cancel takeoff clearance and taxi to Bravo and exit Bravo.
Taxi in Bravo, and exiting.
We saw the impact, Cap 433. And we're hearing the ELT.
And Cap 433, runway 12, clear to land, wind 180 at 3. That traffic crashed off the airfield, so the runway is clear for you.
Okay, clear to land, runway 12, Cap 433.
All other aircraft stand by, emergency in progress.
Whiteman Tower, Skyhawk 19886, will we be able to depart back to Van Nuys, or should we head back to parking and wait it out?
Skyhawk 886, I believe I can get you off now. That traffic should be handled. I just got off the phone with 911. Are you ready to go?
Yeah, we're ready to go back to Van Nuys, 19886.
November 886, roger. Make right down when departure inside of the 5, runway 12, wind calm clear for takeoff.
Departure runway 12, clear for takeoff, 19886.